And a very happy Thursday or Friday Eve to you, as some know it. Weather or not, meteorologist Evan Hatter here with a check of your morning forecast, brought to you by On Target. And the big story this morning, it's still a little breezy outside. Sexton Bin Builder's sky cam overlooking Gold City in Simpson County with overcast skies. You can see the camera is shaking. There's the, you can actually see the backside of the anemometer shaking there this morning as well. So things are just a little breezy out there as we work through the early parts of your Thursday, though improvement is on the way. Here's the view from downtown Bowling Green from our D93 Skycam. Things are overcast, not quite as breezy looking, but we'll be dealing with some of those issues and some chilly air as we work through the day today. The overcast skies with us this morning. A look at the satellite imagery from up in space, and you can see we've started to clear out in West Kentucky, but we're going to start to push some of those clouds. It's going to take a little bit to get them out of here, but once we do, a nice sunny afternoon expected as we work through the remainder of our Thursday. Temperatures to start this Thursday. Heavy coat worthy in some cases. Look at this. All of us, and I do mean all of us, right around freezing this morning. 32, the reading from the Warren-Barron County line. In Russellville, in Franklin, in Scottsville this morning. We are milder, 33 at both Warren County sites from the Kentucky Mesonet and 33 in Morgantown this morning. It is chilly throughout the region. That's a good 20 degrees, and just about exactly cooler than we were this time yesterday when we had already hit our daytime high during the day on Wednesday. The good news, the winds should start to calm down as we work through the rest of today. They were gusty yesterday. These were the 24-hour maximum gusts. 40 Morgantown and Franklin, 42 at the WKU Research Farm, 36 on the north side of Warren County, 41 on the Warren-Barron County line, and 30 mile-per-hour gust was the observation there, the maximum wind gust the past 24 hours for our friends over in Russellville. Here is a sight for sore eyes on the morning weather chart. High pressure working on into the region, currently sitting over southwest Missouri and the Ozarks. That'll continue to push east as we head through the rest of today and into tonight. A weak little system may try to work in later tonight. You see that trough from what's left of our big-time low pressure over southern parts of Quebec. That'll continue to push on to the east and out of our hair as we head through today. Some nice calm weather expected really through much of the next 7 days or so. Not too much in the way of rain chances as we head through the next few days, but I don't think we're done with the active weather just yet. But as we head through the remainder of this week, we jumped ahead in time. That's tomorrow. As we head through, starting at 6 a.m. from our high-resolution rapid refresh, the temperatures are looking much, much nicer. 34 by 10 a.m. We're warming into the 40s, highs in the mid-40s as we work into today. Chilly for this time of year, yes. We should be in the mid-50s, but I'll take it if it means I don't have to track snow showers, rain showers, gusty winds. I'll take it. We're ready for a nice break over the next little bit. And I think we'll get it as we head into the weekend for the most part. Back into the 30s tonight. Excuse me. Clear skies should keep us on the cooler side as we head into tonight. Working back from the 30s into the 50s tomorrow. That high pressure is going to start to scoot off to the east. Excuse me. And that will initiate return flow out of the south that will help warm us up as we head into our day on Friday. Not too bad at all. We end up in the mid-50s. In fact, we continue to stay mild overnight as clouds work in ahead of a weak disturbance that could bring us a few showers late Friday night and into the early hours of Saturday. NAM trying to show that here. We go to the 6 a.m. chart. Nothing much going on today. We'll continue to keep an eye on that. And the NAM wants to bring in some showers as early as late tonight into early tomorrow. We'll see. I don't expect these to amount to much, but I think more than anything, we should just see a few clouds with this activity working on through. So scattered clouds tomorrow, but still majority dry day with those highs in the 40s for our Friday. And we start to try to work another disturbance in here late Friday night into Saturday. Could bring a few showers. Nothing big to be concerned about this weekend. Another system further to the south may try to sneak up in here. I think this one's going to be rather suppressed to the south. That would provide some rain for our friends in Middle Tennessee and further south toward the Alabama border. But I think we're going to be in mostly dry shape as we head late Saturday night into early Sunday. And that is when our very nice conditions really start to work into the region as we finish things up on Sunday and head into early next week, where spring looks to really have sprung as we head into the middle of next week. So your next 6-day weather forecast, we're in the 40s today, a little on the cooler side. We get a little more sunshine, we may bump those numbers up, but for the most part, we are staying in the upper 40s to near 50. Mid-30s tonight, mostly cloudy skies, maybe a shower, can't rule it out. Friday, going into the middle and upper 50s, perhaps low 60s. Models do tend to undervalue that southerly flow, so I think it is possible we can make it into the 60s tomorrow. Chance of a few showers late on our Friday night. No big weather worries, but just keep it in the back of your mind. If you're headed out, you may see some raindrops on the windshield. Mid-40s, thanks to the cloud cover. Mid-50s on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies. We'll keep an eye out on the potential for more showers late Saturday into Saturday night. Mid-30s and overnight low. Then we're off to the races. Mid-50s on Sunday. Dry skies, mostly sunny. Mostly clear skies should have us back in the mid-30s. But look at this. By Monday, high pressure scooting to the east of the region. We're in that return flow regime. Mid-60s on Sunday with lows in the low 40s overnight. Clear skies continue into the day on Tuesday. Look at that. We're crowning 70 degrees. Yeah, I'll take it as we head into Tuesday. Clear skies, near 50 Tuesday night. A much more spring-like regime as we head into the early parts of next week. May start to bring some rain chances back middle and later part of next week with another stronger storm system that looks to try to move in as we head towards Friday and Saturday of next week. But another system before that could provide us with some showers and thunderstorms. We'll get into that as we head into the day tomorrow. This thing is still a week out, but still something to keep in the back of your mind as you head towards Pi Day and beyond. That things could get a little more active as we head towards the end of next week and into the weekend after this next one, the 14th, 15th, 16th time frame. It's something to keep an eye on. We'll dig a little deeper into that tomorrow. But in the meantime, don't forget, tomorrow, March the 7th, 9:07 a.m., the statewide tornado drill, part of the Severe Weather Awareness Week campaign from our local National Weather Service offices, our friends up in Louisville, out to the west in Paducah, and out east in Jackson, as well as the Kentucky Office of Emergency Management. Just remember, practice now, because spring severe weather season is just kicking off, and things could get a little active as we head a little bit later on into the season. That'll just about do it for me this morning. Weather or not meteorologist Evan Hatter with a check of your morning forecast on this Thursday, brought to you, as always, by On Target. Have a great day, everybody. Let's make it a good one.